what is up guys, Daniel Storm here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Guess what, I'm back. Yes, I'm back at Universal Studios Hollywood for a vlog and a construction update in a separate video and POV. So yeah, so let's get rolling. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to the channel to do so. Please put the notification bell when the new video will be popping out as soon as this one. So now, further ado, let's get on with the video. By the way, they do have the fog now. Kind of reminds me of Horror Nights. Well, I've seen the videos on YouTube. I've never been to do it. Pretty awesome. We're actually heading inside of the park. Let's go. Yes, I'm here. I'm back at Universal. Let's go. And of course they did a refreshment on the fountain over there. We're actually gonna go head on Secret Life of Pets off the leash right now. That's actually one of the newer rides I actually wanted to check out. And then we're gonna head down to the lower lot for Jurassic World ride. Looking forward. And it's raining, by the way, by the time I'm recording this video. We have the floor Angria. We have Ron's car. Oh, super sick. I'm back. Okay, we're actually heading over to Secret Life of Pets off the leash right now, you guys. And by the way, The Walking Dead is gone, so I didn't record that. I'm just super excited to be here. And sorry if it's shaky the video because I'm actually filming on the phone, but I will be switching to cameras. We're getting adopted. But yeah. Yeah, we're here at Secret Life of Pets. We're waiting in line. No virtual queuing at the moment. So yes, right after Secret Life of Pets, we're gonna head down to the lower lot for Jurassic World. This is so awesome. I'm back. And the water's running over at Super Silly Fun Line. Like, interesting.
Did you bring your phone?
It'll just stay there. This place would be multiple garbage trucks and mailmen if it wasn't for us.
Hey, look, what's your room? Wow, you probably smell like churros and popcorn. Man, you're making me hungry. Welcome to the secret lair of Captain Snowman.
Look, we're puppies. We just rode Secret Life of Pets off the leash. My thoughts, amazing dark ride for the little ones. It's just an amazing dark ride. And right now I'm filming on the phone now, again. So right now we're heading down to the lower lot for Jurassic World. But I want to see the new Indominus Rex animatronic and everything else. We have DreamWorks Theaters 10 minutes, but
Required to wear a face covering during their visit,
can see Jurassic
except
World.
when actively eating or drinking in one of these areas. You must practice physical distancing and keep at least 6 feet or 2 meters between your travel party and others. Remember,
because of course I didn't came to Taste of Universal and all that stuff.
We
So
appreciate
what's been going on, but
and understanding.
we're gonna go right on Jurassic World. We have an update on Super Nintendo World. Now we can finally see it without going through the whole entire area. Oh, the loud music. We have to skip Jurassic World because it's a 90-minute wait. I actually do have Express, so I actually put it the wait time for it. So we'll be back like 11:24 for Jurassic World. Okay, we have an update here on Super Nintendo World. Now finally I'm in person, then just an overview. Pretty sick to see this. Yeah, Super Nintendo World coming here soon. So right now we're actually waiting in line for Transformers. It's been posted of a 30-minute wait, but I think it's just gonna be outside here for a 30-minute wait. Of course, we can see on Nintendo, which is the Mario Kart right here. Nice. Finally, we're actually inside of the queue for Transformers. We need to protect the All-Smart from Megatron. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to film on the right because it's gonna be copyrighted the screen, so I can't. Okay, so we just rode Transformers to ride. It's awesome. It's been so long I have been on an attraction. Been over a year. Oh my god. Sadly, I couldn't record because I copyrighted, because JB did told me that he doesn't record on Transformers because he'll get copyright strike, because the screens are copyrighted, just the other scenes are not. Just that the screens are. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're waiting for Jurassic World to lower down the wait right now. We'll actually use the express area to lower down. So yeah, we can see Super Nintendo World, well, the wall of it. I think this is rumored to be like another entrance and exit to the land, like similar to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, that there's another entrance and exit over by Springfield. Guys, I can't believe that I'm finally here at Universal Studios Hollywood. In over a year, I remember like last time, like in February, like late February 2020, I was here. And I didn't know that was gonna be my last time to be at the park, because of course I didn't know the COVID stuff will be coming here. But it's crazy to see that I'm back at Universal. Of course I'll be back all the time, like in the summer, filming all these construction updates and have fun around. But today it's gonna be like vlogs, and on a separate video I'm gonna have like the construction updates, and including a few POV, like the full ride footages. Because on Transformers I couldn't record because of copyrighted claim. It's not because of the music, it's just that the screens are copyrighted, so that's why I cannot like film on Transformers and do like a separate video on POV. But I don't know, we're still waiting for Jurassic World right now, so we can go, because I do have like a special pass to wait and stuff. Okay, right now we're inside of Jurassic Outfitters. We're not actually able to ride at the moment, but we'll be soon. Oh, this looks cool. This looks cool. Looking forward to see you in Dominus Rex on the ride. Looking forward to see it. I'm trying to book it. Yes, you better be there. You better be there.
That's right.
went down. Feels like the good old days. I forgot about that drop. Okay, just done with Jurassic World. Of course, you heard earlier in the vlog. Right now, we're actually getting something to eat over here at Cleanest Chicken Shack. We're actually waiting in line here. We have the Simpsons ride, which is a 120-minute wait. Yikes. I do have a special pass for that. That is express. So I can skip the line for it. Yeah, it's gotta be crazy for it. We have a construction update for our Halloween Horror Nights. This is rumored to be Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Pretty awesome. I don't want to get too close, like I'm kind of scared that I'm gonna drop the camera off. But yeah, look at that. And sorry that I don't know if it's kind of shaky here. I am filming on the GoPro, so yeah. We can see Super Nintendo World. Finally, you guys have like finally a better look on it. Pretty much awesome. Of course, that building, that's gonna be rumored to be the Mario Kart. That's right. This is just so awesome. I'm so happy to be back here so badly here at Universal Studios Hollywood. And including over here there's actually a grad bash photo op for grad bash, which is super awesome to see for grad bash here at Universal Studios Hollywood for all those graduated people. Right now we're heading to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter right now. Okay, we're here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Look at the way for Harry Potter's Forbidden Journey. It goes all the way towards the entrance of the studio tour. It's been posted, I think, maybe 180 minutes. We'll see when we head over to the entrance of the ride how much the wait time for this. This brings back so many memories when it opened up the land back in 2016. I'm saving the battery for the GoPro for later if I'm riding on Forbidden Journey or play the Hippogriff. But yeah, look at this. So let me actually move to the side. It's kind of actually crowded a little bit here at this area. I'm glad to see the castle again since so long. I know I never showed it in the video on the channel, but yes, here it is. Here's Hogwarts. I'm glad that I'm back in the streets of Hogsmeade. Oh my god, I missed this so much. I'm glad I'm back. And I'll be back like all the time in the summer, like in the afternoon, maybe just to hang out and do all those construction updates and stuff. I'm glad I'm back. I'm so happy. Over to the DreamWorks Theater featuring Kung Fu Panda Adventure, if we can, right now. Yeah, look at the line all the way over there. Yeah. We're heading to the DreamWorks Theater. Finally, right here we have Halloween Horror Nights and update. This is actually where Holidays in Hell used to be back in 2019, and the year before that was Universal Monsters. 2017 was Force of Blumhouse. I don't know what Macy's is gonna be here. It's just a bunch of rumors, so maybe Universal Monsters, The Bride of Frankenstein Lives, maybe? I don't know right now. It's just rumors, okay? I'm just spreading out rumors, okay? It's not been confirmed anything because, of course, they haven't announced anything yet for Universal Monsters. Well, nothing right here of what's gonna be in place here. Scooby-Doo, he's back, and I'm back. I know I'm kind of a little bit late, but yeah. Yeah, I'm glad that there's some meet and greets. I haven't seen any meet and greets today. I just now it's Scooby-Doo. I haven't seen like any others around. But glad to see Scooby-Doo, where it used to be the former Walking Dead attraction here, which is kind of taken over by the theming of Secret Life of Pets with the whole entire Pets Place area. Oh, and by the way, we have an update on the illumination sign. Yes, it is lit up. Well, for my channel, I know all of you guys think that that's not really that new anymore, but for me it is. But yeah, look at the theming for Secret Life of Pets. I love it. Right now, I skipped DreamWorks Theater for now. We're gonna be back when the time it has lowered down. But yeah, in the morning, amazing ride here on Secret Life of Pets. Maybe I'll ride it like later again, and maybe Jurassic World. Over here at Super Silly Funland, the water is back here. So I think yeah, you can actually enter, but nobody actually doesn't want to actually get soaked at the moment. But yeah, this is just only for exit only. I used to play in the water, but not anymore. I will be going to Soak City Water Park, so I'll be getting wet. Like you'll see like those kind of videos soon up this summer. I really miss Super Silly Funland a lot, and the music that they play. I know there's copyrighted, but I will be talking over it so you can actually hear it. And according to what's an update on JP's video, they were actually fixing the paint over here. And they already fixed it. Well, they already repainted it, I should say. I'm glad I'm back. And yes, there's the all-new Minis Cafe. Very amazing. Whee! Alright, we're actually getting ready to go to the DreamWorks Theater. I might record for a little bit, but I already have a video on the channel. Like checking out the attraction like over a year ago, so I'm not gonna be making another one. So I'm gonna show you a few clips in the attraction. Okay, we're actually inside the DreamWorks Theater featuring Kung Fu Panda. They're not running the pre-show, which just sucks, but I think because of the whole COVID and stuff. But yeah, but I will be filming for just a few clips in the ride because I already made a video on the channel, as you heard.
Hang on, everybody. This is quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come. This is so exciting. Oh, watch where you're going. We're going to hit those rocks. Pirates, and he's known for his cunning. Ruby traps. I am king. Prepare to die. How did he get the big hammer? Dad, your hot sauce is awesome! And you're not! Bye, guys!
Okay, just done DreamWorks Theater featuring Kung Fu Panda. They're not running the pre-show, sadly, but at least I did enjoy it. Maybe I'll post a little bit of the footage I got on the channel, so you can check it out. We're gonna be riding on Forbidden Journey. I'll try if I can film on the ride.
Well, a piece of advice, if I may.
1, 2, 3.
actually waiting in line for Simpsons ride. There's Hogsmeade, and the rest of Springfield. So yeah. Right now we're actually in the Simpsons ride. In the pre-show. They're not doing the actual pre-show. Just this one right here inside of the room. And then we just go into the ride right here. Yeah. Alright, we're going to the studio tour now. This kind of reminds me, I made the video of part 1 on the studio. I'm not going to film a lot on the studio tour because I already made a video on touring on the Universal Backlog. You want to go check it out somewhere on my YouTube channel and my Universal Studios Hollywood playlists. But I will be filming on Earthquake because I never got that on my channel. Over here on the studio tour, they actually updated the banner here. I love it.
Your cousin left you? I hope you can find her. Do you need help? What's your cousin's name? She's up there. Alright, well.
Yeah, we go.
Robert. And the greatest driver. Ronnie. They're the best. I love them. Even though Robert these days. This soundstage dates all the way back to Dracula, starring Bela Lugosi, who was the interior of Dracula's castle. Now a little bit further ahead, ladies and gentlemen, to the right-hand side, you'll see there's a little bit of construction going on. And if you haven't heard already, this is the theme park expansion. We are bringing it that we used in episodes of Superstore, starring Ken Feldman and America Ferrera. Soundstage 21 has also been used in Jurassic Park, Snow White and the Huntsman, and even an episode of Bones.
He looks very upset.
Gentlemen, we're going to see a mishmash of a few more picture cars from all over the world. One of my favorite picture cars on display here is Mr. Bean's green buggy, just here on the right-hand side by the other vehicles from the UK. Also, this yellowish car towards the front is the car that Brendan Fraser drove in the 90s version of The Mummy. And ladies and gentlemen, around this next corner, we have a little bit of a more uninviting place. This, of course, is the base.
This is our turn. Okay, guys, it's showtime. I got to move my horn. I'm moving.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can join the crew again on June 24th for the 9th installment in the Fast and the Furious franchise, F9. And if you want to purchase any of the NBC Universal films or TV shows you've seen on the tour, visit www.uphe.com or ask today at one of our retail stores. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are nearing the end of our journey, but first of all, I would like to thank our...
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog here. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. That'll be it for this video, guys, here at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you can actually see the diamond right behind the archway. I'm glad I came back here. I will be back covering more updates and couldn't just have fun around the parks. Hopefully, if I can run into my friend JP. Sadly, he couldn't be here today. He had to go do something special he needed to do. But I'll give him a shout out. Thanks for all of the construction updates and everything covering. Hopefully, I'll actually see you in person in the near future. So thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye.